Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we deep dive into cybersecurity, ethical hacking and all things tech. Today we are going to talking about virtualization. What is it, why it is important and how it can change the way you use computers. So let's get started. So, what exactly virtualization is? In simple terms, virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of something like an operating system, server, or network inside a software environment. Instead of running software directly on physical hardware, these virtual machines run inside a hypervisor or a special software layer that manages multiple operating systems on the same hardware. So, have you ever wanted to try Linux but didn't want to mess up your Windows operating system? With virtualization, you can run multiple OSs at the same time without dual booting or whipping your drive. It's a game changer for developers, ethical hackers, and IT pros. If you are into cybersecurity, running hacking tools on your main system is a bad idea. Machines give you a safe environment to test malware, pen testing tools, or security exploits without affecting your main system. And businesses use virtualization to save money by running multiple servers on a single machine. Instead of buying a new hardware, they just create more VMSs. It's also great for cloud computing, which power services like AWS and Azure. Ever install software that messed up your system? With virtualization, you can take a snapshot before making changes that instantly restore if something goes wrong. It's like a time machine for your PC. So let's check out how we can download and install virtual machine in our Windows system. So basically, we are going to talk about VMware Workstation Pro. It's a powerful software to use virtualization. Minimum requirements of virtualization. By the way, there are many more virtual software like Oracle, Hypervisor, Fusion, etc. So today we are going to see VMware Workstation Pro. Minimum requirements of VMware Workstation Pro is 4 GB RAM and 1.5 GB storage. 4 GB is minimum RAM required, but recommended 8 GB. And if you want a smooth performance, it should be 16 GB plus or many more. And of course, if you can run it on a SSD, it would be a great idea. So let's deep dive into the how we can download it, from where we can download it, and how we can install it in our Windows machine. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first we need to go broadcom.com website. So this is the website, and we have to sign up here. So let's sign up here. Okay, sign up. We didn't get the sign up page. Okay, Broadcom, register Broadcom. Email register. Okay. So for registering here, I am using a temporary mail because I'm not going to use my permanent mail. So let's take a temp mail here. Okay, disposal mail. I've got a disposal mail here. This is right for temporary mail. This is loading. This will depend on your internet speed. Okay, we've got our mail address. Then gonna start for registration. Email address is this is my email address, and let's verification. Right. I think it's done. The next, and we have got a verification code in our email. So let's try what we can get. The index is still empty. Empty. We didn't get any verification code yet. Okay, resend. You have to try time for the verification mail. Wow, we didn't get it yet. We still didn't get the verification code, so we can try resend. Resend. Okay, we have got the verification code at a time. Let's try what it would be. 804987. 804987. Let's see. Is it or not? Okay, let's give a name test and then repeat it test. Then country United Kingdom. Where is that? I'm trying to make the video as short as possible. United Kingdom, job, executive, password. They have got some password policies, and you can check out this here. First of all, a caps lock, a capital block letter, and then you can write some small letter, and then special, and then 158 digit. Okay, it's done. And let's repeat the password. Date and the rate 1 as a terms and condition, and then create the account. I don't need to save it. Okay, yes, I want to build my profile. I will do it later. I don't want to build my profile right now, then so I will do it later. So after creating the account, I have to go or log in. I have to go login place, and then I have to log in with my registered email address and password. So this is my email address. Click next, and my password was test 15345. Sign in. I think I can sign in right now. Right now. Okay, I'm signing in there. So for download to go, okay, I have to go my dashboard profile. In my profile, I get the dashboard option. Where is the dashboard option? I didn't get it yet. How to click that? Right, my dashboard option. Vision set. Right, support data programming, support self collection, user training, solution, solution. I should find it. Why, man? Why you are giving so much pay? Yes, my profile software. Yes, software, VMware, and cloud solution. Okay, my dashboard. I've got my dashboard option here. And then all products, if I go here, let's see if I can get anything else. Done. Okay, download option. We have to go in download option. After that, we will get the VMware Workstation here, here where we have to find out here. Fusion, VMware Workstation. We have to find VMware Workstation, right? So VMware Antenna, Virtualization, Aerial, Cloud Foundation, VMware Fusion. We don't need this. VMware Manager, Recovery. Okay, let's go to the second page. Okay, we have got the player and then VMware Workstation Pro. Basically, VMware Workstation Pro is much heavier than VMware Workstation Player. Before 2014, middle of the 2014, VMware Workstation Pro was paid enterprises license. You have to buy the license and then enter the license key, and then you can use the enterprise license. But after middle of the 2014, 2024, VMware Workstation Pro is totally free for everyone. So basically here I am using the Windows host. This is the Windows host, and I want to use 17.6.2 version. So I've clicked it. I have to click agree terms and condition, then download it, and I have to do some authentication. I have to input my address, phone number, etc. So I'm giving the address in United Kingdom. Last name, and I don't think so. I don't think anything. We have to give any information. City, I'm giving London city. State province, London. Okay. So I give the tick mark on agree button, and after that we can go forward. I've submitted my all information, and then it will take me to the download phases. And after a while, the download will be started shortly. You have to wait until the download started. Okay, so let's download it. Okay, our download has been started. In fact, I already downloaded the VMware Workstation, so I'm canceling it. Pro full ISO. So now I'm going to install it. Double click on it after clicking yes, and then prepared for installation. Okay, it will get popped up here. Okay, this is it, and we have to wait for some time. Okay, then next, I accept the terms and license agreement, and then next. Okay, this is the full path where it would be located. Basically, it would be located on C drive. Okay, so next, we don't want to join their community program, and then next. Okay, then next, and then install. It will take some time to be installed on my Windows host. So wait until it installation process has been completed. The installation process is running. Okay, I don't think it will take much time. Okay, the installation process has been done. So after that, we will click on finish button and then minimize it, and we will get our VMware Workstation Pro here. So here we can use different types of OS server, and then we can practice on them. We can perform different attacks on them. So why this is VMware Workstation Pro is important. And that's wrap on virtualization. It's an incredibly powerful tool for IT pros, ethical hackers, and everyday users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So what topic should I cover next? Drop your suggestion in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay secure, stay safe. Thank you.